Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to especially turn off Find My device or your device has been stuck on the stolen mode, lost mode, blacklisted. In each situation, what's the remedy to especially without doing a jailbreaks? We will see live here. And of course, I assure you 100% you will be able to turn off or get rid of it. This any device that is locked to owner. Right now, as we see here on this device, it has been locked to owner. If I backs, we are unable to operate this device. We have one option also without touching on this device. This can be unlocked, but with the help of Apple database server. So there, you will have to give us some clue and evidence or proof that you are a real owner of this device. This video link I will give you below the description box. Of course, there you can assess and you can learn and you can go with the similar strategy, and within 24 hours your device will be unlocked. But right now here, after assessing a data by virtue of iTunes, also it's saying that it's trapped or stuck on the activation logs, and it happens due to lost and erased the Apple and password that were used to set up this device. So how to be live here, just it's going to live record this, and this phone would be unlocked with the help of iTunes. And of course, we will not generate any without touching on this device. Also, we will generate a new Apple ID by virtue of iTunes, and we will transfer here directly, and we will skip the whole things of initials, and directly we can claim as a new one that we are genuine owner of this device. So how do I see, guys? First and foremost, we will have to come in a 3U tool, and upon open and come in a toolbox. In toolbox, you have options, that is a one crash analysis. We will have to go in the inside of that. We will have to delete this all the file. Let's see. So C3 all file has been deleted. So now if I go for once again crash analysis, we can check it out. Is there anything? See here, there's nothing inside, so it has done. Now we will go for click on a smart flash. We will go for refresh options, try to download latest beta version. So we had one options only one, so that this beta version I had downloaded. This IPSW of firmware this can be downloaded from any other official website also, guys, no problem at all. And directly you can import. If you click, then menu will be started and directly you can import it, no problem at all. Here we will have to select the quick flash mode. Don't select the retain user data, otherwise redundant files, folders, or data or returned any apps and application would be retained on this, and due to that Apple will trace easily that this device is locked to owners. Yes, so don't go with this, just we will go for quick flash mode. All the data would be erased completely from here, from this device. Don't go for anti-recovery, it will take much more times. And see, before executions, you if you have a approximately more than 20 minutes less than 30 minutes, then you can proceed. Otherwise, watch carefully. When you will have time, then go for execution, because if any error will come, then definitely it will make of course double time that would be demanded for proceeding of the whole procedure, because manually we will have to push this device into the DFU or recovery, and then because this device would be stuck on an Apple logo or iTunes logo. App select, don't select the fixed flash. It will be required, but furthermore we will see if any error will comes. So just we will select, and upon of course we will go for here that we have to open another iDevice management tool, that is an imaging PC. So where it is, let's this one's open. So now it's opening, guys, here. Now here, see, we can come on the toolbox. In toolbox, be ready for, let it open firstly. imagine PC. Now it has been, I think, open. Now see here. Yes, where it is. Let me minimize this one. No, it hasn't been open. I think we have to now. Here it is. We can here close. We can go for trial versions. We will remind me later and upon. Here it is. Now let me have some this ones. We will go for one here. Now see, we will back and we will try to connect. So we'll go for if multiple device has been connected. I haven't done locking, so that's why actually there are some other device has been also had been connected. Not right now it has been connected. So if I click on a forgot, then it will be a disconnected. Now right now this device has been connected, and see this one will one. So just we will go for hand the show device console, and one of course here as we see we can access now show device the console here, and upon here we will go for clear all the console. So just we will back and we will check it out. At least 20 times you have to clear, guys, these things. There should be no SIM card inside on it. Fines. And at least anyone old one SIM card is inside there, then they remove that. So now see, it's removing, guys. Now see, and it's accumulating. Of course, we will go for now. See till the date of today is coming. So now, what we will do here, guys, we can just we will yeah. It's a notifying again and again, guys. No problem at all. Just let me go for cancel, and upon of course we will backs and we will clear. So at least 20 times clear it all the especially these things will be especially cleared. Why we are trying to clear all the consoles? Because of whatever the old data is inside there, of course everything would be cleared. So if there is no any redundant or retained data would be written on this device, then Apple will not trust that there is any data that is due to that, especially this device is linked to Honor. So this strategy can be effective on also when this device is, of course, linked with, see, linked with the time screen passcode, along with, of course, screen passcode, touch ID, face ID, spontaneously, of course, iCloud, activation lock to Honor, or blacklist is solid mode, lost mode in each situation. So now it had the cleared. See, we will come on our 3U tools, and the point, of course, we have one REC mode. Just we will hit, and of course, keep clearing. So see, almost it has been the clear. White screen is coming. So we can close. We can close this iTunes. Sorry, Imagine PC. Let's close. So now, as we see here on iTunes, it has been finally disconnected. So we can close it, and here, see now it's shutting down this. Here we can force to other close. Now we are here. Once again we will try to open iTunes, and let's see what's the messages are coming inside here. See now it has been raised to a recovery. See, so we can close it now. This iTunes, we are sure that now it has been raised in the recovery. So what we will do, we will go on here, we will go in the inside of that. We had already selected, we will hit this ones and fix the battery during the health. If there is a less than 50% battery backup on especially this especially device, then of course you will have to especially click that battery health fix, and of course now let me maximize so that it will be more visible. Now as we see, it has started and it is getting on a 4%. Let's see what's going to happen further. If any error will come, then of course we will try to fix it also, don't worry. It is still on a 4%, guys. I don't know the why it's taking this kind of the things, and it's restricting. Try to see, guys, if it is not a proceeding, then of course try to, here what you have to do, just to see here, internet connection, you will have to check it out. So yes, internet connection is already connected inside there, so we can close of course this 3U tool, and thereupon what we will do, guys, here, yes, once again we will come in here, we will open a 3U tool. So it is still on here. See, we'll have to exit from here because maybe sometimes due to bug the 3U tool will not be functional fully. So here we will exit, and thereupon of course now see it's asking for update. This thing is coming. Let's see. So sometimes it's happening, guys, no problem at all. So now see, it's giving error in the midst of. Now let's see, firstly we will have to update, but now this device has been stuck on here. So I don't know now this problem. Let's see, of course we have a solution. So that's why actually I have already mentioned to you that if you are facing this kind of the problem, then now see we are here. Once again we will try this by selection of this one, and we will hit this ones, and therefore of course doing the battery health. Let's see, it's having this still on a 4%. I don't know why it's stuck. So we will click on this dot, and thereupon of course we will come this firmware, and thereupon this firmware of course we will have to open it, open this folder. Yes, we will have to, now this folder has been opened. See, guys, this kind of the problem you can face. So simply I would like to tell you here, go with the similar strategy that I had already mentioned to you here. Firmware, try to the confirms last 150. So this is a right, just we will, let me copy these ones directly, or directly we can let me copy. Yes, I have done copy. Now we will come on a 4%. It has been stuck, maybe something is having error, so simply we will paste on a screen. Now it has been rest on a 5%, but how slowly it's working, guys, how can I trust on it? See, it will take more than 2-3 hours to get the whole procedure. So that's why actually what we will do, guys, here, whole thing that we have now, see here, I'm trying to especially copy of this firmware. This especially maybe there is something the bug, especially that's why it is rolling on especially. I don't know the why this PC is working very slow, guys. That's why maybe this kind of the problem is happening there. So if you are facing this kind of the problem, then try to find out that what's RAM and the PC in your laptop or especially desktop, and the phone of course do it. So because speed was actually speed is not a sufficient, and that's why I actually have it. I don't know the why it's not a proceeding. Try to use appropriate data cable, guys. Maybe there is something error in especially data cable or this thing. See, we will wait a 10 10 minutes here. And thereupon, of course, if we are not going to proceed further, then of course we will approach another method. But of course, we will have to unlock anyhow. We live on the here. This kind of the challenges you can face when you are especially trying to unlock on the first time. But of course, we have unlocked the multiple iPhones, so don't worry. I will show you another clue. If according to the situation and the problem will come, and of course we will address that issues. Don't worry. Now see, still here, still having errors in this kind of the things. Now see, 5 to now 6% it has been raised. It's working, but very slowly, guys. I don't know why. See, I don't know. Still, now it has been raised on the 7%. Of course, how slowly it's working. Maybe data cable is not fixed, we don't know, so just we will disconnect, and of course we will rotate the data cable connection, and thereupon we will see. Now see, it has been raised on 8%, but it's taking much more time as usually expected, guys. So now what we can here, maybe there is just something bug especially on this 3u tool, that's why having the problem. So we can close it, no problem at all. So now we cannot give the much more time on here, guys. Just we will have to exit from here also, these things. Let's see. Now see, it's asking update and update, that's why maybe this kind of the problem is having here. And the retrieve, this is not a fetching the proper data, maybe this kind of the reason, guys. Now we will have to uninstall this I mean 3u tool, and upon of course once again we will install. So now right now just I'm trying to the pros with especially this iTunes. Let's open iTunes and we will see. Now in iTunes here, see, it's on a DFU mode, but still there is no, see, now it has been connected finally. Now we will hold the shift key of your computer, try to remember, hold the shift key and click on restore options, and we will select this beta version that I copied from the especially. Now see, it's asking the erase etc, go for restoration. Let's see what's happening here. It's also working very slowly or not, we will check it out. So now it's extracting, but let's see. Now it's working, but this is here, see cursor. We will wait here. It's trying to extract the software, and upon of course we will see further. These kind of error can be common, guys, while the Apple database server is not coming good, especially have the good configurations to proceed the whole procedure, or sometimes also due to bug. Sometimes your iTunes would be freeze, sometimes your 3u tool would be freeze, sometimes you don't have especially good RAM in your computer, then because multiple, especially as we know that software we are using the one time. So now that's why we have the close two other software. Now see, still it's taking, but very slowly. I don't know why. I think it's almost more than how much minute, especially 19 minutes we spent here, and they still we couldn't do anything. See how much time it's taking, guys. but say it's totally free. By free, of course, especially without doing a jailbreak. So if a lock hits, then of course it would be a permanent. So now see, it's a extracting. Still now that we came on the end of this extracting the software. So let's see. Now see, almost we have done it. Now it has prepared to restorations. So now see, it has been exited from system. Now let's see what's going to happen further. Still, isn't especially inserted to especially I'm install it here. But of course, there's still I'm the waiting here. Let's see what will happen. If any error will come, then of course we will try to fix it also. Now see, it has started to insert. Install this new firmware. Now we will have to wait here. Almost I think so, more than 10% is we have completed, but it's taking time, guys. Here, what we can here, this is not our hand, and if you disconnect right now, then of course you as this firmware will be stuck in the midst of that and would be damaged, so it will impact on your device also spontaneously. Manually you will have to put this device into the especially I mean from iTunes to especially normal to DFU especially. So don't do anything, so don't unplug, because during this processing and process your device may restart multiple times, guys, so don't worry. Now see, almost we have done approximately 30%. Let's see what's going to happen, and during this process your device may restart multiple times, so be sure, don't worry, just keep it where until unless your iTunes is not restarting or the giving especially your device message to the restart. So don't disconnect, don't unplug. Try to use a good data cables, guys. This is old one, that's why maybe this kind of the reasons. Second is that maybe database server, maybe 3U tool was not proper updated, and however I had cleared crash analysis data bugs from especially this device, so maybe this kind of the reason, but let's see what's going to happen further. Now see, almost approximately how much minute that we have done 30, more than 30%. Now it's verifying, so let's see. Now I think so 50% is we have completed. Further we will see. Now once again it's verifying, so the iPhone series restorations, and it is still on a 50%. We will see further and see any kind of the query we have, especially any kinds of the query. If you will have then the blindly I have the query below the comment box, so please would remains to the reply of the query, guys, spontaneously. I had also faced this kind of the problems that there was a disconnection, there was a bug, so there was various kind of the reasons on a various especially device, multiple devices there is a different situation. So right now this situation has been especially recorded right now that I faced. Now I approached this one, and if I get an error here, then also I will have to update this iTunes, guys, and after updations then through you tool also we will have to update, and thereupon we will have to sometimes old and new ones version is being installed on your especially PC or laptops, and there also there is going to be some problem. So that's why actually Right now, see, it is stuck on a especially on a 50% and it's verifying again and again and restoring. Now restoring this firmware. So now we are furthermore, see. But don't fizzle, so don't be panicked, of course. Be relaxed and don't unplug the data cable. Otherwise, you will have the problems. Especially the device would be especially stuck on the below. Now see, still it's restoring the firmware and it is still stuck on the 50%. If I see here, right now you can watch it here. Now more than 50% is we have completed. Almost 80% is completed. So I think most probably now this device will be unlocked. Because if especially any device gives you error before the proceeding, the 30% is here from here, then give you error, then of course there is a something problem. But now it has taken accepted these configurations by virtue of Apple data server. So now see here what will happen further. Almost more than 90% we have a completed, guys. Now see here further we will see. Now, as we see here, almost now restoring the still the firmware. I don't know why it's taking much more time, guys. Actually, we spent hands especially no, I mean the more than 26 minutes. Now it has been restarted, and finally we have done it, guys. Now we can go 4K, and upon of course we can close iTunes, not required hands, and of course we will try to open a 3U tools. So see what will happen on our 3U tools. It's still not open. Let's see, we will go for now. It has been open, guys, no problem at all. Let it open. Now see, it's connecting. Yes, finally it has been connect. So just we will come the toolbox. In toolbox, see, these all are has been highlighted. Just we will skip these ones, and thereupon of course we will try to hit this one. So here it has been initiated. Here to install this firmware, there I'm the skipping. This is very crucial step that we will have to execute on accurate times, guys. You will have to close the multiple apps that is running in your PC or laptop. It will make you slow because I faced this kind of issues. Now see, it's skipping and there is installing, show, rebooting, show. Now see, if it is going to be the successful done, then second step that we have to execute, and upon if that is also is going to be a proper done, then here see, if any error will come here, then you will have to change the internet connection or use the virtual private networks of particular sales model area or sales area of this device. Suppose this phone is basically from the United Kingdom, so we will have to generate a virtual private networks on your PC that United Kingdom's diameters, and upon after the changing of heads, and then of course Apple will get a good configuration of the uh, similar navigation of locations of this device, and upon of course it will be Apple database servers will give some especially good configurations to execute in the proper way. There will be no any source of error, and thereupon of course you would be. So right now see we have waiting for any kind of some errors. Now see, it's a successfully done, guys. So now what we have to do here, yes, we have to restore the locations, that is the actual location of this device, show that, otherwise SIM card will not be a functional. So now this phone is a rebooting fine, and after rebooting we will see here. Now see, this phone has been rebooted. We will wait here. Let's wait because all the feature has been hidden. Now when it will be connected, then it will be a see. Now it has been highlighted. We have option that is a deactivations. Just we will select this one. We will hit this one also, guys. Wait for 10 seconds, guys. Wait 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Now ready, hit this ones. Now we have done it. Now we will go for open it and the pawn. Now see here, as we see now it has. Yes, we will go for here once again the batch activations and the pawn, of course. Now see, on batch activations, of course, we will select both options. Let's see both options. Now welcome to new one, and it's saying chat no need to. So of course, see guys, here it's saying the welcome to new one. So now of course, so finally there is no any links on this. If I go for here, see, let's see, before going then sign in. Of course we will go for in the create some new Apple ID, and that's Apple ID will be a transfer directly on here. So let's see, they are going to for setting the language. There is no internet connection. It has given an opportunity to us generate here what new Apple ID, confirm the password, verify the password, and the phone. Now see here, select the country region and the phone, go for continue. New Apple ID would be generated here and would be a transfer directly. So if I go for now, see here, nothing is inside. There is no any initial stage that you will have to log in. And if I go in the settings, see, there is no SIM card. Also, I would like to show you the evidence here. No SIM card is available. It means there is no internet connection also. And see, the magic will have with the help of Apple database server by virtue of especially given the good configuration by virtue of iTunes. So now see, finally if I go in the sign in, it's asking to connect to the internet. So we don't have internet connection also here. So now nothing is a, if I see the password of especially this device passcode and etc. Let's see, check it out. Here is a screen pass when the all are the disabled here. So if I restart, if I insert the SIM card, if the SIM card is not working, then what we have to do here, guys? See, if the SIM card is not working, then you will have to come on the 3 tool once again, and you have option reboot device, reboot iDevice, and the phone go for reboot it, and device would be restarted, and the phone SIM card would be good configured with the DPRS, and voice calling will be a fully function. Now right now here see, simply you don't have to assign any directly. Here you will have to write in Apple ID, confirm the password, verify that password, and the phone go for continue, and this ID will be directly transferred, and that this device is now yours. So obviously you can. This is all about, guys. If you found this is informative and knowledgeable, then don't forget like, subscribe, and share of these contents. Because, and sorry for landing this tutorial, because we face this kind of issues. Of course, now the finally we have the fix. So maybe this kind of error will come, and then you will be a worry, and of course you would be a panic. So that's why actually we have covered off this also moment that I faced this kind of issues, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. How to like this tutorial, please raise, of course, give the feedbacks below the comment box. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.